Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to make our accessibility button size smaller in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. As you can see right now on the screen, our accessibility bar is a little bit bigger than the default option. So how to return it to its smaller form? First, settings, then accessibility options menu. Next we need to go to the accessibility shortcuts. And here we have accessibility button functions. And here is our size. As you can see, here we have large option selected. We can go back to the small one. And now we can close our menus. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.